Another new arrival, the 1967 Chevrolet Nova hardtop. But these things are so popular. People love this body style. These little Econo box looking kind of plain Jane Novas that people just go gaga over.
They don't last long.
They don't last long. This one's Tuxedo Black over red with the date code correct, 327. And when we say date code correct, that just means that it was built within the window of when this car was manufactured.
That's right.
And so it's better that way. I don't really
I think I said in the description, this could have been in an SS car. The 327.
Right.
It's the same period and everything.
And somehow got pulled out or the car got wrecked or something
exactly.
along.
Right.
Or they didn't want to fix it or whatever. Stunning deep paint on this car. This thing is really beautiful. That Tuxedo Black, just gorgeous.